For this video, we're going to cover some key strength training and endurance training exercises that you should be doing for your lower extremity, which is including your calves and your foot and ankle. The first exercise we're going to go through, that's kind of your strength and endurance training for your running and preparation for increasing your time or your endurance or your overall speed, is the eccentric heel drops or the single leg heel raises or the gastroc. So the gastroc is the upper muscle belly of your calf that works predominantly with your knee straight. So to perform an eccentric heel raise, what you're going to do is you're going to come up with two legs, 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds down. Up with two legs, 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds down. This is a great exercise to help increase the overall tensile strength of the Achilles tendon and the calf or gastroc in general. Now, what I like to do is I like to do a 1 to 2 second concentric single leg with a 3 to 4 second count down on one leg. Up on one, 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds down. Because we aren't actually dealing with an Achilles tendon injury, what we're trying to do is we're trying to train the concentric strength of the gastroc, so that the ability to contract and raise the heel up, but then that nice controlled deceleration or lowering as well. So you get a good bang for your buck working on it both ways. So gastroc, you're trying to train it with your knee straight. The soleus is the lower part of your calf. It is also underneath your gastroc. Now, because that muscle belly doesn't cross your knee joint, you predominantly use your soleus with a bent knee. So to perform a single leg heel raise with a bent knee, you want to have the drop coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4 count down. 1, 2 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 up. You can see that I'm maintaining a slightly bent knee on my left side. Common mistakes people do is just pushing their leg forward and backward. As you can see, my body overall height isn't changing. Making sure you're actually lifting your overall body mass, that my head is going up and down. So this is a great way to get the soleus engaged as well, oftentimes forgotten, and much, much, much more beneficial than doing a seated leg raise as you're training your body with the step with your full body weight. Your tibialis posterior is a deeper muscle beneath your calves that attaches from the back around the medial inside of your ankle in through the arch of the foot. So it's really important for your overall arch stability and strength. One of the ways I like to train this one is off of a step, just having a bit of pigeon toe or inward rotation through your feet, and then just doing a double leg heel raise. You can also hold a ball between your heels and kind of feel like you're trying to squeeze the ball with your heels while you're in this position. Essentially, this position allows your feet to be in more inversion, a kind of typical inversion ankle sprain position, which is what works the tibialis posterior muscle a little bit more than overall. Last but not least is our tibialis anterior muscle. This is your typical muscle in the front of your shin that does dorsiflexion. It is critical because it is what eccentrically works to help stabilize your foot while your calves are pushing and clawing into the ground as hard as you can. So it's really important to keep the endurance of these muscles up as well. One simple way is to just have both legs shoulder width apart, have your back against the wall, and just perform toe raises. Now, the closer you are to the wall, the easier this exercise is. The further away you are from the wall, the harder it is, because it's just increasing the amount of pressure and torque, or I guess friction, into the wall here. So your calf or your tibialis anterior are working harder than if you're standing closer. So this is a great exercise to offset all of the posterior leg muscles, is just doing those toe raises. All of those lower leg exercises should be done for any kind of running athlete at a frequency of somewhere between 1 to 3 times per week, depending on your competition level, for reps of about 15 reps to 25 reps. working into more of that endurance range for those muscles. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below of something that you'd be interested to see next. Tune in next time.